Good afternoon to the community of Tibetan around the world. You are welcome once again to Freedom for Humanity. I am Olorunlowu Ayinde, also known as Sapphire Jewel, one of the economic developer within our Kringle community. Guys, it's another opportunity to show you what is going on in the community. Thank God for the progress we are enjoying. Indeed, TBC is the only cryptocurrency. Quote me, TBC and other cryptocurrencies. This is another wonderful, unique opportunity that we are enjoying. So, guys, before I go further, if you are listening to this broadcast and you don't know what TBC is all about, or you are still out there dilly-dally, I advise you come on board now and come on board fast. So, guys, today I'll be telling us that the much awaited Lifeforce Assembly Code is finally out. Yes, every active member within the community has been allocated with a particular and a designated code. This will help you to identify yourself and other members within the community. Don't forget, the Lifeforce Assurance Program has come to give us a lot of opportunities to restore the value of humanity back to humanity by having the enough funds and means to carry out a lot of developmental projects. So, guys, get active for you to have access to this. As you can see on the screen, that's my own code. Every active member has their various codes. When you log into your dashboard, you will find it on it. And to view the assembly, when you click on the assembly, it will show you the list of available leaders, then also list of available members within the community. Guys, guess what? There you will find assembly, city, country, and state and province. You can't identify anybody with their name. No, these are for proper security reasons. So, guys, don't delay. The first step you have to take if you're a non-division is to register and become a member of the community. And the second thing, which also cut across everyone, is make sure you pay your either monthly program fee or annual program fee and get active. Once you are active, you have access to this, and that is just the beginning. A lot of goodies are coming on board. So, guys, get what? Get active. The Lifeforce Assembly in Nigeria. Here is the list. I am calling and I am speaking from Nigeria. So I'm a member from Nigeria, and here are the lists. So, and the same thing goes to all other countries of your nativity. So, guys, come on board, join us, and let us indeed prove to the world that we are able, and let us do all in our best to bring the world back to a state that God wants it, to have our heaven and earth here. So, guys, till I come your way next time, don't forget, I want you to like this broadcast, subscribe and share to others, and share the good news for everyone to get active. Thank you. Love you all.